No more talk of darkness. Forget this white-eyed fear. I'm here. Nothing can harm you. My world will warm and calm you. Let me be your freedom. Let daylight dry your tears. I'm here with you, beside you, to guard you and to guide you.
Save me every waking moment. Turn my head with talk of summertime. Save me with you now and always. Promise me that all you say is true. That's all I ask of you.
Let me be your shelter. Let me be your light. You are safe, no one will find you. Your feet are far behind you.
All I want is freedom, a world with no more night, and you always beside me to hold me and to hide me.
Then say you'll share with me one lifetime. Let me lead you from your solitude. Say you need me with your here beside you. Anywhere you go, let me go too. Christine, that's all I ask of you.
With me one love, one lifetime. Say the word and I will follow you.
Sherry, stay with me each night, each morning.
Say you love me.
You know I do. Love me.